The challenges we face, the solutions we create, require a new way of working, a heightened level of control, convenience, and compression performance, a platform to meet the demands of the future and to ensure we remain at the forefront of technology. Welcome to Up Solutions, our brand new digital platform empowering you to outperform through 3 game-changing offers. Our digital remote support gives you rapid assistance wherever you are. A virtual technician will be on hand to quickly diagnose your problems, suggest solutions, and provide technical training. The connected compressor harnesses machine learning and artificial intelligence, delivering improved productivity and increased uptime through predictive maintenance and optimization. And the Solutions Configurator has been designed to offer you an easy and effortless way to connect with us and to browse all your relevant information, from orders to machine parts to maintenance history. So if you are looking for a digital platform to take your business to the next level, then Up Solutions is for you. Up Solutions, empowering you to outperform.